What's up, guys? Kevin Cage here with another crypto update. Hope everybody's doing well, and I hope that everyone has enjoyed this absolute monster of a monthly candle. So as we can see, this month alone, just going down to the wick, XRP basically 49.50 cents, and we can see a 200% increase, tapping really close. We're already at $1.50. So right there, a 3x or a 200% increase in a single month. So that's what I'm talking about. So it's great to see some price action for XRP. We're going to dive into a bunch today. I'll start with the XRP price chart a little bit. We're going to dive into some recent news for Ripple and or XRP, and then we're going to dive a lot more into the XRP price chart. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's dive in. Okay, so to kick things off, looking at the XRP monthly price chart, for anybody that's watched my channel, even for the past couple years, not even since 2018, we talk about monthly RSI, such as for Bitcoin, drawing these cups on the monthly time frame. So the momentum of Bitcoin drawing multiple cups each cycle. And historically, for a variety of assets, when the momentum is at its highest, even breaking past 70, going over 80, that is when Bitcoin and a variety of other assets have drawn their biggest moves. And I'm sure you guys remember me talking about the monthly RSI. Getting that crossover is a really good thing for XRP. I was talking about it all the way since here, and I mean, we did nothing for 500, 600 days. But what's great is we are finally getting this move right now, and we are battling this 70 level. So why exactly is this level exciting? Well, keep in mind the last time that XRP blasted through this level and actually ran 70, 80, even 90, XRP went parabolic. I know its market cap was a lot smaller, it did some consolidation, it popped again, and it did easily on the monthly time frame over a 10x. The point being is during these periods where the monthly RSI is over the purple, over 70 and running, were historically the largest monthly candles we've ever seen for XRP. Now, we already smashed through the $1.10 fair value gap like it was nothing, so I really only have 2 or 3 levels left before all-time highs. And at that point, that would be pure price discovery. Alright, let me turn the lights on. We are seeing some good volatility. So I posted this on Twitter this morning, drawing a Fibonacci retracement on the original 2013 swing high down to 2014. So this is not a price prediction, but I just wanted to highlight the points when the monthly RSI blasts past 70 and XRP runs. So the 4.236 Fibonacci extension is a common level, but I added the other numbers of the Fibonacci sequence above, so the 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. So technically the sequence goes on forever, and it works like 8 plus 13 is 21, 13 plus 21 is 34, and it goes on and on. But I just wanted to reshare how well the XRP price chart has respected these Fibonacci extensions, so reaching the 55 extension perfectly to the wick. Another bear market, retracing to the 34. People complain about this. XRP still did well over a 10x from the cycle low, but this was during the lawsuit. So much was going on in terms of exchange delistings, you name it, and this cycle in particular, XRP has legal clarity, so there's nothing holding it back. And I know people will say, oh, but the Ripple vs. SEC case is still ongoing. Yes, but the law of the land today is XRP is not a security. There have been other ETPs launching as well. And the lawsuit, as far as I know, is for the SEC and Ripple to agree on a fine, and the SEC is just being annoying. So the reality of the crypto space today is we know that XRP is hated by many large Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana whales. Its all-time market cap was around 148 billion on charts.cointrader. I just say 150 billion for an easy round number. And we know how it goes. XRP breaks through with monthly RSI going on a run. We likely create new all-time highs. And if we initially reject or pull back, and keep in mind we just drew 200%, so that wouldn't be anything crazy whatsoever. It still looks fine, considering that we haven't even had the crash of Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance crashing hasn't even happened yet. This historically was the last 2 alt seasons. And I shared this back in October on a widescreen monitor so I could actually fit this, but just showing Bitcoin dominance during the exact dates, and these are both on the monthly time frame. XRP rose the most during Bitcoin dominance crashing. So throwback to XRP back when it was like 54, 55 cents, and we haven't even had the crash, and XRP has recovered thus far. So we know how it goes. XRP pulls back after drawing 200% and even just pulls back or retraces 38% or 70%. Haters are going to say, haha, XRP's crashing. And if it creates an all-time price, they're still going to say, haha, so what, it took so long. They're always going to have something to say. It's the same old story, but I'm happy for any asset finally running, and a lot of people that hate XRP have no idea what Ripple the company has done for the crypto space. They should be thanking them for what they've done for the crypto industry because they brought a lot of things to light on things related to the SEC. So I'll just leave it at that because if I say anything else, like I have in other videos, this is going to get shadow banned. Alright, so let's dive into a few pieces of recent news, and then we're going to go into XRP at the end, look at valuations at different market caps, and look more at the price chart. First up, so the most exciting thing is this. Gary Gensler saying, on January 20th, 2025, I will be stepping down as the SEC chair. I also saw Fred Rispoli, another great attorney in this space, saying this about Gary Gensler's tweet, purposely waiting until the last possible moment before Trump can fire him. Gary staying true to form, a douche, until the bitter end. I had to say it. We also had this shared yesterday by Wisdom Tree. They have launched an XRP ETP, Wisdom Tree Physical XRP. Now listed on these exchanges, so I can't pronounce the first one, but we have 6, we have Euronet Paris and Amsterdam. And checking out the assets under management for 21 shares, another issuer, they already have an XRP ETP in Europe, and we can see over 135 million. So look at that year-to-date return with an XRP ETP. I also saw this shared by Neats Bucks, so right here, the first name mentioned in this Reuters report is Ripple, and this is shared by Bitcoin Magazine. Donald Trump's Crypto Advisory Council expected to set up strategic Bitcoin reserve. So this was yesterday, and we can see Ripple right there. So Ripple, Kraken, Circle, a bunch of groups. And there's a bunch going on. I'm pretty sure I retweeted or just played the clip of Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO, recently discussing with the news, and I believe he met with Donald Trump as well, so that shouldn't surprise you. I went over this yesterday with Archax adding tokenized money market funds also from State Street, Fidelity, and LGIM. So this is launching on Hedera, XRPL, and Arbitrum. So this is confirmed saying the XRP ledger. We could talk about different decentralized identity proposals on the XRPL. We can talk about the Ripple US dollar stablecoin set to launch. We can talk about their, advisory board, which are full of heavy hitters. We also have right here the XLR bridge, discussing interoperability with the upcoming XRPL EVM or Ethereum virtual machine sidechain plus Squid router, which is powered by XLR, connecting to over 80 blockchains. I saw Blockchain Backer share this yesterday, and he shared a bunch of interesting things over the years related to crypto market cap price charts, looking at Fibonacci retracement and extension levels. So we can see the XRP market cap pokes through all the retracements of the 2021 to 2024 range, breaking through the 618, the 702, and the 786. We have Credible Crypto also highlighting the monthly RSI for XRP here, so anybody looking at technical analysis that uses RSI sees the same thing. So he says right here, this is bullish AF. Contrary to popular belief, the higher the RSI goes, the stronger the momentum is and the more bullish for a coin, provided, there's no bearish divergence. And like every other form of TA, the higher the time frame this is on, the more significant it is. So the monthly is the most valid. It's more valid than the weekly, and the weekly is more valid than the daily. And he says the next target is $2. After that, we go for new all-time high, and I completely agree. $2 is that round number by $1.98 right there, and after that, there's virtually no resistance. So this is the same stuff I always look at for monthly RSI for a variety of assets. There are still assets that are below the 50 line, so getting over the 50 line is bullish. Getting over 70 is uber bullish, and this is a video I did 4 months ago. Alright, looking at this website, this is 8marketcap.com. We can see gold's estimated market cap of $18 trillion. So even if that is remotely accurate between 15 trillion or over 18 trillion, that is huge. We can see looking at Bitcoin, we are still under 2 trillion. 2 trillion market cap would basically be 100K plus, and we are still below some of the world's largest companies. And looking at the total crypto market cap, we are at a new all-time price, surpassing the previous all-time price at 3 trillion. So we can also see the do or die moment similar to XRP on the monthly time frame, with the monthly RSI crossing over 70. So this monthly candle close in about 8 to 9 days is really big for Bitcoin, XRP, and the total crypto market cap. And you guys already know my Moon Boy hopes and predictions for the crypto asset class going in the new all-time highs. We can go down to the weekly, and we are finally drawing some price action, so hallelujah, as we can see. Alright, before diving into XRP and looking at XRP's price at different market caps, we have iTrustCapital linked in the YouTube video description. I, for one, am really happy I have XRP in my Roth IRA, and yes, I'm still going to be trying to sell this cycle, but I'm always going to try to keep a good portion of XRP for life. And that's at least what I try to do with assets I believe in. I always want to have some long-term exposure. We know all the stories of people buying Ethereum at, sub $50 or Bitcoin at $1,000. You just never know. And the best part about a Roth IRA is it grows 100% tax-free, and it has way more flexibility than a 401k or a traditional IRA. So for me, I plan to have a crypto Roth IRA for life, and there's just so much more flexibility. Yes, I can wait until I'm 59 and a half and withdraw all the money in one lump sum, but the flexibility includes being able to withdraw my contributions at any time, penalty-free and tax-free. So I like having a nest egg. It's more long-term exposure. I'm not always tempted to trade it on a daily basis and just hold it long-term. And at any point, I can trade 24/7, 365. There are no monthly fees whatsoever. There is just a 1% transaction fee if you buy and sell. If I'm holding this long term, I'm paying absolutely nothing. So I like the option of being able to sell a portion of your bag into US dollars to de-risk or buy back lower and grow your bag, or just sit on the sidelines, re-enter, etc. Alright, let's go over a few more things and we'll call it a day. So we can see XRP's dominance, or its percentage of market cap compared to the entire crypto asset class, has been climbing. The monthly RSI has also crossed the 50 line. So we are over 2.5% today, and the last time we were even at around 4% was back when XRP got legal clarity back in July of 2023. So the higher this goes, the better, and we can see previous swing high levels getting like 5-6%, and then all the way back here getting really high. But this is when the market was very young. It's a lot more saturated today. Another cool thing that blockchain backers shared for a really long time that I want to share is looking at Bitcoin's market cap and Ethereum's market cap. So this is on charts.cointrader.pro. You can just type in Bitcoin market cap. This is on CoinMarketCap. And drawing high to low, where did Bitcoin's market cap reach last cycle? A perfect 4.236. Checking out Ethereum, we can see the same exact thing. So high to low, where did Ethereum's market cap reach or top last cycle? The 4.236. So blockchain backers shared this many times, but this is super cool. And looking at XRP, we know that it didn't even break into new all-time highs last cycle. What is it doing? Instead of drawing a fib here, I'm just drawing a fib on the all-time high market cap back here to the low, and we can see that we're still below retracements, approaching the 618. And just for reference, a 4.236 from here would basically be over a 600% return to over $600 billion. So 640%, let's look at the XRP price chart really quick. From today's price, just measuring 640% roughly would be over $10. And I know everybody and their mom has been waiting for XRP to create an all-time price. I've shared this for years. This is my best guess and hope that XRP follows the Bitcoin fractal and reaches new all-time highs. At this point, I just want to see all-time highs. I don't want to be like, oh, I called it, because I didn't. I couldn't time it at all. I just want to see price action. And all good if you think this video is hypey or too optimistic. I've been waiting for this for literally years, and if you think XRP does a retracement from here, it's a bull trap, like back in the end of 2020 here on the way up, all good. I'm still looking for XRP to create an all-time price. We want to see the monthly candle close for the RSI over 70, same thing for Bitcoin and the total crypto market cap. So I'm not looking for any type of credit whatsoever. I couldn't time anything. Everybody is looking for XRP to create an all-time price. $5, $10, $20. Your guess is as good as mine. I cannot time it. I just want to see the monthly RSI explode in the future, whether it happens quickly or it takes a while. And we'll finish up with this. So looking at XRP based on its circulating supply today, we'll also look at its max supply of 100 billion. Technically, it's lower than that because of the burn rate, but let's look at XRP's price at different market caps. And for reference, XRP's market cap at the beginning of this month was $28 billion, or under $30 billion, so being over $84 billion today is roughly 3x in a single month, which is awesome. Also, just a side note, so I know XRP's all-time high price on CoinMarketCap is registered as like $3.84. For me, I'm just using the Bitstamp price chart. If we break past $3.30, $3.32, I'm calling that an all-time high. Because I remember years ago when it reached $3.84, it was something related to a Korean exchange showing that really high price. So some people just consider XRP's all-time high price, instead of being $3.84, around $3.30, $3.32. So looking at XRP's price at different market caps, we can see at a $200 billion market cap, that would be $3.51. At a $400 billion market cap, that would be $7. Looking at 500 billion or half a trillion, this is over $8. And then right there, this was Ethereum's previous all-time high market cap at 570 billion. That would be over $10. And we can go on and on looking at a $1 trillion market cap over 17. We can see over 1.5 trillion, over 26. We can see over 2 trillion is 35. Based on the circulating supply today, if we look at the max supply, even though it's smaller, we can see these prices too. Even comparing XRP to Bitcoin's market cap, if XRP had Bitcoin's market cap today, that would be $34. We'll check out Ethereum. If XRP had Ethereum's market cap today, it would be almost $7. We can check out Solana, and we are coming up quick. We can see $2.14. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We are rooting for XRP's monthly RSI and a variety of other assets to break through 70 and run significantly higher. And I'm not playing the price prediction game. This is not financial advice. I just want to share good information to show you different thoughts and scenarios at different valuations. And just a friendly reminder for anybody new, and I want to make sure I do a better job of saying this more often, I have no idea what the future holds. I've shared my guesses in different ways that I can speculate, but we have no idea, and absolutely anything is possible. Whether you think XRP fails, it succeeds, or reaches insanely high prices, nobody knows. So we know there's a bunch of people, including myself, on social media. We share our opinions, sometimes our beliefs, really strongly. At the end of the day, you have to trust your own intuition. You can consider other views or have a believe it when I see it mindset, but think for yourself. A lot of people want to follow people online and have them do the thinking for them. You have to do your own thinking. Everybody has a different risk tolerance, maybe a different average entry price and goals. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Huge thank you to all that hit the like button, subscribe, and turn notifications on to be notified when I upload my next video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button and let me know your thoughts down below. You can find all links to my crypto resources, including tools for charting, trading bots, wallets, portfolio trackers, and exclusive discounts right in my link tree in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.